Today we're reviewing the PLK-B03BT, and this model is designed. It's programmable. It's got programming capabilities. Obviously, made in Japan. This machine is set up for Eyelet buttonhole, so it's more of an Eyelet, not a buttonhole. Can be utilized for military eyelets or baseball cap eyelet. You can program the eyelets for different sizes. Mitsubishi Eyelet programmable sewing machine. You can program the eyelets for different sizes. It's got the registration pin, so you know where the eyelet's going to be formed. Makes it a lot easier for placement. It's a pre-owned machine made by Mitsubishi, one of the best electronics in the world. A great company, great electronics. Comes on a regular stand, heavy-duty stand. It's got a big, large capacity bobbin, and it's ready to go. The model number is PLK-B03BT.